All right, let's look at the homework 3.4, problem number 8. All right, so we want to find an equation of the tangent line to the curve y equals 14 over 1 plus e to the negative x at the point 0, 7. All right, so it looks like the point is 0, 7, so x coordinate is 0. So this is actually give us a y-intercept, so which is going to be b equals 7. All right, so all we need is a slope. All right, so first I'm gonna rewrite this function right here as 14 and a quantity 1 plus e to the negative x. And since this is on the denominator, so I'm going to put the negative 1 power. Alright, so we need to find the derivative so that we can find the slope. So y prime is equal to, alright, so 14 is just a constant multiple, so I just put that there. Right, then negative 1, so power rule, and this keep the same quantity, 1 plus e to the negative x, then subtract 1 from the power, so it's negative 2, then you multiply by derivative of inside, so that's going to be derivative 1 is 0, derivative of e to the negative x is e to the negative x, and times derivative of negative x is negative 1. Alright, I guess we don't need this guy right here. Alright, then let's clean up a bit. So you have a negative here and another negative, so that's going to be positive. So we have 14 e to the negative x on top. So I took care of this guy and I took care of that guy. And then so it's a negative power, so I'm gonna put this guy on in the basement, e to the negative x, and it's squared. Right, and I think that's everyone. Right, so if you want to find the slope, say m, all we have to do is plug in this case x value 0, plug in 0. So we have 14 on top, e to the 0 is 1, over 1 plus e to the 0 is 1, so it's a 2 squared, so that would be 4. Alright, so it's same thing as 7 over 2. Alright, so therefore we can do a slope-intercept form. Y is equal to 7 halves x plus 7. Alright, so let's type it in. So it's y equals 7 halves x plus 7. Alright, then let's find the correct picture. So it has the positive slope and the y-intercept is 7. Right, so y-intercept is negative 7, so that's not going to be it. This one, this looks good. And this one, it's y-intercept is not 7. And this guy has a negative slope. So it looks like this guy is the correct picture. Alright, so let's submit for testing. Alright, it came back and looks like we got part A correctly and also part B correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.